Hello friends, in the series on income tax cases, today we will discuss an issue which is based on deduction under section 80IB. The deduction under section 80IB is in respect of profits and gains from certain industrial undertaking other than infrastructure undertaking. One of the conditions for claiming the deduction under section 80IB is that the assessee has to file its income tax return before the due date of filing the return of income under section 139 subsection 1. The issue before Himachal Pradesh High Court was that if assessee is a statutory organization and is dealing with some public money and the assessee is otherwise fully entitled to claim the deduction under section 80IB, and the assessee submits that the return under section 139 subsection 1 has not been filed just because the audit was not completed on time. So whether this cause can be a reasonable and bona fide cause for getting the return delayed, and just on this basis whether the deduction should be disallowed to the assessee or not. This issue has been taken up by Himachal Pradesh High Court in the case of Principal Commissioner of Income Tax versus HP Housing and Urban Development Authority. This case is reported in 483 ITR at page number 565, and the date of the judgment is 22nd December 2023. In the present case, the assessee is a statutory organization created by the state government for providing and developing the housing infrastructure in the country. In the present case, the assessee claimed deduction under section 80IB. The assessee could not file its return of income within the due time which is prescribed under section 139 subsection 1, and that is why the deduction to the assessee was not allowed. When the matter was before the CIT appeal, the assessee said that the return could not be filed on time because the assessee could not get its account audited on time, and the CIT appeal, after examining all the facts, examined that the assessee was fully entitled to deduction under section 80IB except the condition that the assessee has not filed the return of income on time. So the CIT appeal allowed the claim of the assessee under section 80IB. When the matter was before the tribunal also appreciated the fact that in the present case there is a reasonable and bona fide cause, and the tribunal also examined that the CIT appeal has concurrently held on the facts by taking a lengthy and painstaking exercise that the assessee is actually entitled to section 80IB deduction. So the tribunal also upheld the order of the CIT appeal. When the matter came before the High Court said that in the present case, the CIT appeal and tribunal are justified in allowing the assessee the claim of the deduction under section 80IB and condoning the delay in filing the return of income only because of a reasonable and bona fide cause that the audit of the assessee could not be done on time. The court said that in the present case, the veracity of the ground of the assessee cannot be disputed, and since the assessee is dealing with public money and the state exchequer, so in the present case, the claim of the assessee should be allowed. The High Court also appreciated the fact in the present case that the defense of late audit done by the assessee in the present case is a bona fide cause, and the assessee should not be disallowed the deduction under section 80IB. The court also said that in the present case, the claim of the assessee under section 80IB has been correctly calculated and which has been duly appreciated by both the CIT appeal and the tribunal. So the claim of the assessee under section 80IB cannot be denied to the assessee just because of the reason that the assessee has not filed its income tax return, and that too because of a bona fide cause that the audit of the assessee could not be completed on time. At the end of this video, once again I am repeating the name of the case. The name of the case is Principal Commissioner of Income Tax versus HP Housing and Urban Development Authority, and this case is reported in 483 ITR at page number 565, and the date of the judgment is 22nd December 2023. Thank you, friends.